Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open your Google Doc and confirm edits are final. You want the PDF to match exactly. Once done, inspect page breaks and images so nothing shifts during export. Make sure you are signed into the Google account that owns the document. This avoids permission errors. Now move to the File menu. This is the first actionable step, because we will export directly from Docs to produce a faithful PDF copy that preserves layout, fonts, and embedded media. From the File menu, select Download, then PDF document, PDF, to generate a quick, reliable file. If you need custom layout, choose Print and change paper size or orientation, then pick Save as PDF. This gives more control over margins and scaling. Once you select Download, Docs converts fonts and images into the PDF container. This preserves appearance across devices. If you access the document via Google Drive, you can also right-click and export to PDF to accomplish the same. Open the exported PDF and scan every page to verify layout, links, and embedded images. If something looks off, try Print then Save as PDF instead of Download. That often fixes scaling or font substitution issues. Make sure sharing settings are correct. Attach the PDF to email or share through Drive with appropriate permissions. If you encounter permission errors, confirm the document owner changed visibility or reshare with View Access. This resolves most access-related problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.